Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install TOR browser in Linux system like Kali, Linux, Arch Linux, and etc. And I can also show you onion links and websites. So let's get started.
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
Now first of all, let's download TOR browser. Using this official website. Now here you can see we download TOR browser. Let's extract this file. Now a file extracts successfully. Let's use this browser for me. Now here you can see always connect. Automatically check this box and click on connect button. After it connected successfully, let's make our privacy more secure. So follow me very carefully and do the same things in your browser configuration. Now I will show you how TOR browser actually work and how many connection it will take to go in final location. Here you can see our traffic goes through this nodes. I will show you how in just one click you can get your new identity. Now we got our.new identity. I will show you here. You can see our nodes get changed automatically. See now I show you some dark and deep web websites, how you can get it. Now I tell you, don't go on this site because it's very dangerous for you. Because every time when you click on links, don't know which websites get opened and what's going in your background process. So be careful. I all made this video for educational and awareness purposes. Only if you did it, you are responsible for yourself. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos, notifications,